Looking for Ulta Beauty makeup for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, by Ulta Beauty. A great gift idea for this coming Christmas. Tap the link below for our full gift guide list. Number 2, by Tarte. Click the link below now, add your favorite directly to your cart, get real-time prices. Number 3, by Benefit Cosmetics. One of the most wished for in 2018. A must-check on our Christmas holiday gift guide. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.